Hey guys, it's your local military spouse and realtor here. Wanted to hop on and bust some VA loan myths for you guys today. I am a firm believer that more veterans and active duty service members would use the VA loan benefits, or at least consider using them if there were not so many myths about the VA loan. So I wanted to hop in here today and share some of the top myths and why they are false. So, number one, your benefits expire. This is not true. Once earned, your VA loan benefits never expire, and you can use them as much and as often as you want, as long as you can afford them and you are following the VA guidelines. Number two, you can only use them once. This is also not true. Kind of going back to number one, you can use them over and over and over again. Number three, you can only have one at a time. Again, this is false. You can have more than one VA loan out at a time as long as you are following the guidelines set forth by the VA. I have worked with clients who are on their second and third VA loans. Number four, there is a limit to the size of the VA loan. This is also not true. The largest VA loan recorded was over $9 million near Washington, D.C. Now, some of the confusion that comes in here is because there is such a thing called the conforming loan limit. This is the maximum amount you can borrow using the VA loan across one or multiple loans without putting down a down payment. This limit is $647,200 as of 2022. So, anything below that, no down payment. Once you get above that, you make a down payment based on the difference between what that limit is and the total amount you're borrowing. So your down payment's not on the whole loan, just the difference. Number five, my credit score is not good enough. Well, you may be surprised. There are multiple factors that determine whether or not you are pre-approved, and while your credit score does play a large role in that decision, it is not the only factor, and so you may be surprised at what could be pre-approved. Number six, you cannot have another VA loan after foreclosure. This is not true. You can have another VA loan after foreclosure. Number seven, you cannot have a VA loan if you have filed bankruptcy. Also not true. There is a waiting period. It does depend on the type of bankruptcy that you have filed, but you can have another VA loan after filing for bankruptcy. I'm helping someone do it right now. Number eight, VA appraisals are too restrictive. This is one that permeates so fiercely, especially in a hot market, and as a spouse, as a real estate agent, please let me tell you that I am closing VA loans every single day that have went through the appraisal process without a problem. Number nine, the VA costs more than other loans. All loans, except for conventional 20% down, have some sort of fee or expense associated with them, whether that is something like private mortgage insurance or a higher interest rate due to taking advantage of a certain program that allows you to purchase without cost. The VA loan does have a cost, and I think, after running the numbers multiple times, that it's actually one of the more affordable options. So what are those costs? Well, the first time you use your VA loan, you will have a VA funding fee of 2.3% of the purchase price. You have two options. Option number one, you pay that fee up front at closing. Option number two, you roll in that fee with your mortgage, and it kind of goes on to the top of the purchase price, and your total loan amount covers it. And then the actual third option is that if you are a veteran who has 10% or greater disability, your VA funding fee is waived. So that's for your first use of the VA loan. Any subsequent use, as it stands, has a 3.6% fee, so slight increase. Further, if you were to put down a down payment, depending on the amount of the down payment, that fee can actually be reduced. Number 10. The VA is the one lending you money. This is also not true. What the VA is doing is backing you as a borrower. They are guaranteeing a portion of that loan to your lender. And this allows lenders a little bit greater flexibility when lending to service members or veterans. Number 11, no down payment equals no money needed. This, unfortunately, is not true. While it is true that there is no down payment necessary as long as you are staying below that conforming loan limit, there are still expenses due along the way. These expenses include binder or earnest money deposit, real estate attorney fees, home inspections, radon testing, closing costs, and prepaids. So that sums up some of the top VA loan myths that you should know about. And if you have any questions or want more information about these myths or any of the others, please reach out to me. I can't wait to educate you on this amazing benefit.